I'm going to make some mixed grain bread. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 2 packages of yeast to my flour and just stir it up together. Now in a saucepan, I'm going to combine 1.5 cups of milk, 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of cornmeal, and 1/2 cup of cracked wheat. I have my candy thermometer in my mixture, and I'm going to mix it, heat it up until it's 120, 130. And I also almost forgot to add in, I added in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now we're at 124, so I'm going to add my milk mixture to my flour mixture. I'm going to beat for about 30 seconds. I decided to change out to my paddle attachment, and I'm going to beat this for about a couple of minutes on high for about 3 minutes maybe. Now with my mixer on stir, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, and then 1/2 cup of rolled oats, another cup of all-purpose flour, now I've put my dough hook back on, and I've added another 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to let it knead for about 6 minutes. Now I'm going to roll into a ball, put in my oiled pan, and then cover it and let it sit for 1 hour. Now my dough is risen for an hour, so now I'm going to punch it back down. Cut it in 2, and then cover it for 10 more minutes. Put them in the greased loaf pans, and I'm going to cover them and let them set for 30 more minutes. For 30 minutes. My bread out of the oven, and I'm going to put some butter on it and be ready to eat. Good eats.